conditions today, Friday, and again on Monday and Tuesday. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Wheeler County Emergency Management. Grass fires throughout Wheeler County has resulted in the closure of Interstate 40 between mile markers 149 and 152, as well as Highway 152 east of Wheeler to the Oklahoma state line. Officials request the following message is transmitted at the request of the Roberts County Emergency Manager. A wildfire is burning along portions of Highway 70, which is now closed between County Roads 251 and 252. Officials request that the public and residents avoid the area so that firefighters may access the fire unhindered. Residents near the fire should stay posted to local reports for further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Wheeler County Emergency Management.